Let's move to the second chakra, Svadhisthana. When this chakra is blocked, you can feel guilt or shame. But when it is balanced, you accept yourself the way you are. So let's move to the asana, getting your feet together, lace your finger, and place your hands behind your feet and move like a butterfly. Just breathe in here with the movement, elongating the spine. Just breathe. When you create this movement, it is a sensation to keep your belly in. And that is because we are just activating this chakra. It is a movement that happens by itself. Just breathe in and out. And get ready. So we are moving left leg to the side. Keeping the right foot as close as you can to the groin or your pelvis area. And extending left hand, grabbing the big toe with the peace fingers, and don't send your chest forward. Open, open, open the chest. It's a kind of a twist, and I extend my arm to the side. Slowly, let's just move in here and just get the body to the left side. Let's take at least 3 breaths. Coming back to center, switching the legs, extending the right, left leg is in. Remember, as close as you can keep the heel to the pelvis area. Grab the big toes. If that is not available for you, just grab your leg or your shin. So opening the chest, my shoulder doesn't come forward, my shoulder opens and extending the arm. When I have that arm extended, just reach to the side. In and out. Just breathe at least 3 times. And inhale, coming back to center. Let's just lifting and getting your hands underneath the shoulders. Knees are aligned to the hips. Pressing your hands down, breathing in and out. And let's take a moment extending right leg first. Keeping the hips down. Three breaths. On the next exhale, just sending that right foot forward. If you can find balance in here, just place your hands beside and up to the moment that you feel ready, can come and place your hands on the top of the knee. By this, we are moving the hip forward, opening the hips. And if this is plenty for you, you can stay here. If you are ready, you can extend the arms and just take 3 deep breaths. Exhale, frame your foot. Let's just get that leg back and stretching. Crawling toes under and coming back to neutral position. Next inhale, extending left leg. Balance. 3 breaths. Sending now. Left leg forward, Find control, balance in here, hands on your knee, and opening. Let's open, balancing Svadhisthana chakra. We can stay here or we can extend the arms, taking a deep inhale and breathe in and out 3 times. Exhale, hands are down, extend your leg back, curling toes under, dropping the hip, and coming back to neutral position. Let's just take a moment and meditate. Namaste.